Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and sound. So, today in HCG 2 class, we will start with chapter 3, that is weather and climate. In this chapter, today we will learn about what is weather and climate, their difference, and how we do weather forecasting, and what are the elements of weather. So, what is weather and climate here? Weather is the condition of atmosphere of a particular place over a short period of time, like for days or hours. Okay, so weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place. It can be hot, it can be cold, cloudy, and climate can be defined as the weather condition of a large area for a long period of time, like for 30 years. Fine. So, weather is never static. It's not stable. It keep on changing. Weather may vary from place to place, like it may be cloudy in sector 14 Hisar, and there is raining in urban state 2 of Hisar, and maybe it is a sunny day in sector 25. Fine. So, weather is also affected by factors like altitude, water bodies. Fine. Here, weather affects everyone's life also. Like bad weather may prevent you stepping out of the house. A farmer's crop depends on suitable weather conditions. So, if we are on height, then pressure of air decreases. Temperature decreases also with height. So, and if we are on the mountains, we experience low temperature. Okay, and if any area is near to the water bodies, then also the weather may be humid. So, weather is the day to day short term state of the atmosphere at any place, at any time. Weather may be hot or cold, wet or dry, clear or cloudy. So, now here, what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is day-to-day condition of atmosphere, and our daily weather conditions are predicted by meteorologists by recording atmospheric conditions like rain, temperature, sunshine. Okay, and these weather conditions are being recorded at weather station. Climate is the average uh, of the weather condition for a particular region observed over a period of 30 years. So, climate is the phenomena of weather that occur over a long period of time in a particular place. Now, what is weather forecasting? Weather forecasting is the prediction of what the atmosphere will be like in a particular region by using technology and scientific knowledge to make weather observation. Who are meteorologists? Meteorologists are the scientists who study about the weather condition, and meteorology is the science that deals with the study of weather. Okay, now how is weather predicted? How is weather recorded? Fine. For this, there is a place called as weather station. Now, weather station can be a place that has all the instruments to record weather, and that is termed as weather station. Now, weather forecast is issued by the country's this meteorological department, which is in Delhi. So, we usually hear weather forecast on TV, on radios, and they provide us reports based on data collected by weather station. So these weather stations use various instruments to collect data like weather rockets, weather balloons, weather satellites, fine, to monitor daily weather reports. Okay, so these are the instruments for collecting weather report. See here, this is this is weather balloon, weather satellite, weather ships. So, with the help of these, we used to collect data for weather forecasting. Fine. Now, here we have, this is a satellite, weather satellite. So, one satellite which we have is geostationary, this operational environmental satellite, which we called as GOES, which orbits around the earth, provides continuous monitoring of the atmospheric condition like tornadoes, flash floods, hailstorm, hurricanes, etc. Okay, here tornadoes. Tornado is a violent rotating column of air. This is a type of storm. They are brutal force with that they can tear apart everything that comes in its way. So that is tornado. Okay. Now what are flash floods? Flash flood is rapid flow of water begins within 6 to 4 hours of heavy rainfall. That is flash flood. Hailstorm. Hailstorm is a thunderstorm that produces hail that reaches the ground. Okay. And hurricanes is a large rotating storm with high speed winds that forms over warm water in tropical areas, in the tropical region areas. So, weather forecasting predict weather reports for their own countries. Mostly they focus upon the aspects like temperature, rainfall. Fine. Now, what are the elements of weather? Weather and climate of any region based on various elements like temperature, atmospheric pressure, prevailing winds, humidity, precipitation, sunshine and clouds. So here, what is temperature and atmospheric pressure? Very often you used to say that it is very hot today or yesterday it was very cool day. So the temperature that you feel every day is the temperature of the atmosphere. The degree of hotness or coolness of the air that surrounds us is known as temperature. Temperature varies due to various reasons like altitude, nearness to the sea, time of the day, terrain, that is relief features, etc. It is measured with the help of thermometer. Fine. So this is thermometer. With the help of that we used to measure temperature. Atmospheric pressure. We know that air that surrounds us has weight and exert great force on our body, but we do not feel that pressure, as air exerts pressure from all directions and our body also exerts a counter pressure. So this is why we are not feeling it. Air pressure and wind are invisible, which influence temperature and humidity. Atmospheric pressure decreases with increase in altitude and atmospheric pressure decreases with increase in temperature. Atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. Fine. Next we have winds and humidity. Winds also affect the temperature of a place. Winds coming from cooler region decreases the temperature and winds coming from warmer region increases the temperature. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Here we have relative humidity, which is the actual amount of water vapor present in the air, and absolute humidity, which is the ratio of the actual amount of humidity and the total amount of water vapor in the air that can hold in that area, that air can hold in that area. Fine. So this is wind and this is humidity. Next we have precipitation and sunshine. Precipitation means Precipitation means water in liquid and solid form falling on the earth like hail, rain, snow. So precipitation is any liquid or frozen water that forms in the atmosphere and falls back on the earth. Sunshine is determined by the season and height of the place. Places near the tropics experience plenty of sunshine as compared to the areas of temperate and freeze zone. So during summers there are long hours of sunshine. So sunshine, which is also called as sunlight, is a solar radiation that is visible at Earth's surface. So this is sunlight and this is precipitation. Next we have clouds. Cloud is a mass of small water droplets or tiny icy crystals that float in the air. Okay, when the temperature of air is below dew point, The water vapor condenses in small droplets of water around dust or smoke, and these tiny impurities are condensation nuclei. Clouds look white because the droplets scatter light, and light is white. Sorry. As the light passes through the cloud, it interacts with water droplets. Due to that, they look white. There are different type of clouds. Cirrus cloud, this is cirrus cloud, cumulus cloud, stratus cloud, and nimbus cloud. Cirrus clouds are feathery form of clouds and form at height of 5,000 to 10,000 meters. Okay, and cumulus clouds are the clouds which look like cauliflower, causes rain with lightning and thunder, and found between 2,000 to 6,000 meter height. Stratus clouds are the clouds which spread all over the sky, usually form at the height of 2,000 meter, and can cause drizzling. Sorry. Nimbus clouds are the clouds, they are actual rain clouds and bring continuous rain or snow. They form at altitude below 2,000 meters. So this was all about this chapter. The next we'll do in the next video. Thank you.